Alexa, tell me a Jimmy Fallon joke.
What did the Spice Girls say to Sheldon from The Big Bang Theory? Bazinga zig ah.
Alexa, tell me another Jimmy Fallon joke.
Why did Simba fail the polygraph test? Well, he was lying the whole time.
Alexa, tell me a Jimmy Fallon joke.
What fish tastes the best with peanut butter? Jellyfish.
Alexa, tell me another Jimmy Fallon joke.
What is Johann Sebastian's favorite type of cabbage? Bok choy.
Alright, so tonight we're drawing ancientkabuterimon. This is my first time drawing this guy. Alexa, when is the next episode of PJ Masks?
Here's something I found on the web. According to realgood.com, PJ Masks is still airing with no announced date for the next episode or season.
Alexa, when is the newest episode of PJ Masks coming out?
Here's something I found on the web. According to realgood.com, PJ Masks is still airing with no announced date for the next episode or season.
Yeah, right. It's too dumb to notice that. Sometimes I don't get machines. Sometimes I just want to send you all to hell and never come back. To be honest, I'm taking a liking to the Kabuterimon series. Alexa, shuffle songs by Silver Storm.
Here's some music by
Hear
Silver
the wings sticking out of
Storm
his back.
on Amazon Music.
Nope, not the right one. Alexa, next song. Alexa, next song. Alexa, next song. Now we draw the eyes underneath his scalp.
A new adventure, another day.
One more challenge that comes our way.
It's up to me and you.
We know what we've got.
Alexa, next song. Alexa, next song. Alexa, next song. Alexa, next song.
It's about you, it's about me, it's about hope, it's about dreams, it's about friends that work together to claim their destiny. It's about reaching for the sky, having the courage and willing to try. It's about never giving up, so hold your head up and we will carry on. It's a new day. We will not fall. We will not fade. It's about looking toward the future. We will not be afraid. It's about reaching for the sky, having the courage of willing to try. It's about never giving up, so hold your head up and we will carry on. Pokemon. It's the next chapter, the ultimate goal.
Ready for battle, brave and bold.
It's done.
No, we
That's how you
gonna
draw
make it. We will save
Ancient
the
Kabuterimon.
day.
Awesome. Second source, see you later.